For people that don't know, I don't know who wouldn't know who you are, but you are the creator of Animal Flow. Why don't you give me like a potted version of like what is specifically what is Animal Flow? Because I mean that's the thing that you teach worldwide. That's the thing that is recognized worldwide. I'm sure most people who are listening to this have heard of it, have seen it, have an idea. But now that I have the guy, like, what is this thing, Animal Flow?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so our one-liner
Yep.
is Animal Flow is a quadrupedal movement training system
Okay.
that is designed to improve the performance, resilience, and function of the human animal. And
Hmm.
that's our one-liner. And I really want to put extra emphasis on the human animal part because,
Mm-hmm.
of course, as people hear the name Animal Flow, they have all these ideas of what animal flow may be. And it may be, finding your spirit animal. It may be that it's only about animal locomotion. It may be going into the woods and screaming in some primal way. But we really say that this is a movement system
Mm-hmm.
where you have hands and feet in contact with the ground, and it's all about trying to improve the way in which you inhabit your body and move it through space. That's the simplest way that I can explain it.
Is there a deeper philosophical meaning in that we're reminding people that we are animals and that we're teaching that system how to move? Is that
Exactly that.
okay?
Exactly that. And to your point, we do use some animal, what we call base positions. So we may say, okay, this is an ape, this is a beast,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah.
a crab, and we use some locomotion, which is only one of the six components of the overall system. So if you were to look at the entire animal flow system and you were to watch someone perform these really, kind of crazy flows, you
Mm-hmm.
could then break that down into six really simple components, and only one of those is animal locomotion. So to your point, it really is about the human animal as the animal, the human species as being an animal, and how we can learn and teach people to be better in their meat wagon and move it through space. And one of the things that to me is so incredibly unique about the animal flow system is it what is 100% quadrupedal, where you have hands and feet in contact with the ground. And in doing so, you're able to create these very novel, unique, and varied loads throughout the entire musculoskeletal system.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, if nothing else, as soon as you place hands and feet in contact with the ground and you try to make these shapes that we call animal flow movements, you are reintroduced into your body and into your mind in a very different way. It's almost immediate. It's hard to think about anything else other than what you're doing at that very moment. You're not thinking about moving an external object from point A to point B. You're fully being aware and present within your body as you communicate with this immovable object, which is the floor.